Hello guys! Nowadays, Lofi music, with its distinctive mellow sound, has surged in popularity, as Lofi music can enhance concentration, reduces stress, and improve sleep quality. Today, I'll talk about the top free Mubert AI Lofi music generator. Please subscribe our channel and ring the bell to stay updated with more AI tools. Let's get started. Mubert is a fantastic AI-powered music generator that can create custom tracks based on your preferences. It's perfect for creating Lofi music, which is great for studying, relaxing, or just chilling out. Anyone without music talent can make Lofi tracks by Mubert in only 3 steps. Step 1. Go to Mubert website and sign up your account. Then start to generate Lofi music track. Step 2. Next, input Lofi text prompt, like chill Lofi beats or Lofi hip hop. Choose the type and duration for your track. It's up to 25 mines. You can also customize other settings for your Lofi track. Step 3. Tap Generate Track after settings. It only takes a few seconds to create a unique Lofi track tailored to your specifications. And there you have it. Now you can listen, download, or even use it in your own projects. Mubert makes it incredibly easy to create professional-sounding Lofi music without any hassle. This is Mubert AI. It's user-friendly, requires no musical expertise, and offers free access to a wide range of music genres, including our favorite Lofi beats. Plus, the AI continuously learns and improves, ensuring that each track is unique and high quality. Now you've learned how to use Mubert AI music generator to make unique Lofi music. If you have any problems or experience about this topic, please leave the comments below. Enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful? Give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you next time.